Yeah, my people, welcome back to Lumberjack the Kitchen. The recipe for today, some home style chicken. So I'm going to show you all of my ingredients them when me make my home style chicken. So please watch the video to the end, like and share and subscribe. Alright, see my ingredients in here. Ketchup, barbecue sauce, seasoning in there. And otherwise we have some pop chow, pimento seed, ginger, carrot, hot pepper, sweet pepper, onion, garlic, scallion, and thyme. So these going to be all of my ingredients to make my home style chicken. You need to watch out for this. Yeah man, home style chicken I got nice, you know. Yeah man, I love what I cooking, you know. Yeah man, like and share, subscribe, hear that? Yeah. Yeah, my peeps, remember home style chicken, you know? Yeah, man, see, whole lot of spice them there. Yeah, man, I'll pop chow in that chicken, you know, so you don't know. Subscribe, Jamaican Cooking with Lumberjack on YouTube. Remember home style chicken, you know? Yeah, man. Yeah, my peeps. Just remember, say a home style chicken, you know? Yeah, man. Home style chicken, you know? Yeah. Yeah, home style chicken, you know.